Go.
Teller and northern El Paso counties until 6:30 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Palmer Lake, or 21 miles north of Colorado Springs, moving northwest at 5 miles an hour. Penny-sized hail will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Monument and Palmer Lake. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to
Significant weather
localized
advisory.
flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. At 6 p.m., Colorado Springs,